effectively integrated into the healthcare system, but primarily from a commercial enablement AI perspective, how digital health companies and healthcare service companies are using AI in order to get their messages and their products into the healthcare system. Traditionally, what we've seen is most digital health and healthcare service organizations are running 5 to 6 commercial enablement plays. In fact, 2/3 of organizations were running 6 or more in 2024. What we're now seeing is actually a more finite but concentrated AI being used from a commercial enablement perspective. Some of those use cases that we see most commonly involve, how do I think about lead scoring? So what physician or MD or even health system executive should I be calling upon, delivering the right message to our sellers, service, and marketing professionals so that they can relay the best possible information at different points along the buying journey. There's also some AI to up-level or upskill talent. How does a clinical specialist, how does even a field seller need to evolve their skill set, their talk track, and their knowledge in order to resonate and connect with MDs and other healthcare providers? And then kind of a smattering of other AI use cases such as propensity to spend or resource allocation, or in even some cases, revenue planning. What are the deals we think we might actually close? Now, how we believe this AI from a commercial enablement perspective impacts the overall healthcare ecosystem is as commercial organizations get smarter and leverage AI and other tools, again, it puts the right and best products in the hands of the provider that drive the best patient outcomes.